Overnight skincare with coconut oil. For an effective nighttime face cleanup, use coconut oil to get rid of any dirt, impurities and stubborn makeup. It sinks deep into the skin to condition, moisturize, and soften your skin. Coconut oil naturally clears dirt, grime, and dead skin cells. It even contains antibacterial and antifungal properties, killing off harmful bacteria for acne-free skin. Coconut oil is used in many natural beauty products, and for good reason. It's naturally antibacterial and antifungal. It's an excellent moisturizer. It can penetrate into the skin better than other oils. What makes coconut oil good for skin? 1. Apply extra virgin coconut oil and massage it into your skin with circular motion for about 5 minutes to improve blood circulation, soften the skin and help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. 2. Use your ring finger to slowly massage the oil around your eyes to prevent fines and wrinkles. 3. Dip a washcloth in warm water, wring out the excess. 4. Place it on your face for 10–20 seconds so that the oil gets absorbed into your skin. 5. Don't rinse off, just blot dry. Let the remaining coconut oil work its magic on the skin overnight. 6. If you feel your face is too dry, then you can take few drops of coconut oil, rub it between your palm to warm it up and pat it on your skin. 7. If your skin is too oily, then just blot the excess oil with a washcloth or tissue and give it some time for the oil to absorb into the skin.